Have you ever thought about freelancing, ever wondered how to get started on platforms like Upwork? Well, come along on this journey as we unravel the world of freelancing together. Freelancing is essentially being your own boss, working on your own terms, and choosing the projects that resonate with your skills and interests. It's about breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and stepping into a world where you have the freedom to create your own work-life balance. And the benefits? They're numerous. From having the flexibility to work from anywhere, to the opportunity to earn income from diverse sources, freelancing opens up a world of possibilities. Platforms like Upwork serve as a bridge, connecting skilled professionals with clients in need of their services. They provide a platform for you to showcase your skills, bid for projects, and build a career on your own terms. In the next few minutes, we will explore how to succeed in freelancing on platforms like Upwork. Your profile is your storefront. It's important to make it as compelling as possible. Let's dive into the art of setting up an impressive profile that can capture potential clients' attention. First, let's talk about the profile picture. This is the first thing clients see. A professional, high-quality photo where you're sporting a friendly smile can make a world of difference. It's not about looking like a model, it's about appearing approachable, trustworthy, and someone with whom clients would enjoy working. Next, we move on to the headline. This is your personal tagline, your elevator pitch. It should be concise, compelling, and communicate your top skills. Think of it as a one-line summary of what you bring to the table. Do away with generic lines like freelancer. Instead, be specific, like creative graphic designer with a knack for branding. Now, the overview. This is where you get to tell your story, your professional journey, but remember, it's not an autobiography. Keep it focused on what you can do for the client. Highlight your skills, experiences, and what makes you unique. Make it engaging, make it memorable. Then there are skills, portfolio, and certifications. List down all your relevant skills. Don't be shy. If you have it, flaunt it. Your portfolio is your visual resume. Showcase your best work. And remember, quality trumps quantity. Certifications? They're proof you've got the chops. If you've got them, they definitely belong in your profile. Remember, every element of your profile is a piece of a puzzle that, when put together, paints a picture of you as a professional. It's a balance of showing your personality, highlighting your skills and experience, and convincing potential clients that you're the one for the job. So take your time to craft each element. Review it, revise it, polish it. Let it reflect the best version of your professional self. Remember, a well-crafted profile is your ticket to attract potential clients. And with that, we wrap up setting up an impressive profile. Stay tuned for more. Scene script. Once your profile is ready, it's time to craft winning proposals. The heart of your freelancing journey lies in a proposal that resonates with your client. It's not just about selling your skills, it's about understanding the client's needs first and foremost. Dive deep into the details of the job description, understand the problem at hand, and then align your skills and experience to propose a solution. Remember, clients are looking for problem solvers, not just skill holders. Now onto proposing a solution. This is where you get to shine. Show the client how you can add value to their project. Instead of just saying, "I can do this," show them how you'll do it. Break down the process step by step. This will make the client feel involved and give them confidence in your abilities. Then comes the part where you show off your previous work. This is your chance to prove that you can not only talk the talk, but walk the walk. Show them relevant work samples that speak volumes about your skills and abilities. Remember, your work represents you. Make sure it's something you're proud of. Let's talk about pricing. This can be a tricky part. You don't want to undersell your skills, but you also don't want to scare the client away with high prices. A good rule of thumb is to research the market rates for your skills, and then price your services accordingly. Remember, your price reflects the value you bring to the table. And now, let's touch upon some common mistakes to avoid. Don't copy and paste proposals. Each client is unique, and so should be your proposal. Avoid technical jargon. Keep it simple and understandable. And lastly, don't forget to proofread. Nothing screams unprofessional like a proposal riddled with typos and grammatical errors. So there you have it. Crafting a winning proposal is about understanding the client's needs, proposing a solution, showing off your previous work, and pricing it right. And remember, avoid those common mistakes. A well-crafted proposal can make all the difference between landing a job or not. Communication is key in any business, and freelancing is no different. Let's dive right into it. Clear and timely communication with your clients is not just important, it's crucial. It's the bedrock upon which successful projects and long-lasting professional relationships are built. Misunderstandings, delays, and confusion can all be mitigated, if not entirely avoided, with effective communication. Now, you might be wondering, how do I communicate effectively? Well, it's not rocket science, but it does require some finesse. Firstly, clarity is your best friend. When discussing project details, deliverables, or deadlines, ensure your communication is crystal clear. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that your client might not understand. Remember, you're the expert in your field, not them. Secondly, be proactive. Don't wait for your client to reach out to you with questions or concerns. Instead, take the initiative. Provide regular updates on your progress, ask for feedback, and address potential issues before they escalate. This shows your client that you're invested in the project and their satisfaction. Thirdly, be responsive. Timely responses to your client's queries or concerns are as important as the quality of your work. It shows respect for their time and builds trust. But remember, while promptness is key, it's equally important to provide thoughtful and comprehensive replies. And lastly, handle difficult situations with grace. Disagreements or misunderstandings may arise. It's a part of doing business. But how you handle these situations can make or break your relationship with a client. Stay calm, listen to their perspective, and propose solutions that are in the best interest of both parties. Remember, every interaction with a client is an opportunity to showcase your professionalism and commitment to their project. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Your attitude, tone, and even your choice of words can leave a lasting impression. So to wrap it up, clear, proactive, responsive communication, coupled with a dash of grace during difficult times, can go a long way in building successful freelance relationships. Effective communication can help build long-term relationships with clients. Freelancing is all about managing your time and projects effectively. So how do we do this? Well, let's start with setting a work schedule. This is the backbone of time management. Without a well-defined schedule, you're like a ship without a rudder, drifting aimlessly in the sea of tasks. It's important to establish a routine that works for you. Maybe you're a night owl who thrives in the wee hours, or perhaps you're an early bird who loves to catch the worm. Whatever your style, stick to it. Remember, consistency is key here. Next up, prioritizing tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are big, others are small. Some are urgent, while others can wait. The trick here is to use the Eisenhower box, a simple decision-making tool that helps you decide on and prioritize tasks by urgency and importance, sorting out less urgent and important tasks, which you should either delegate or not do at all. Now, on to project management. In the freelancing world, you're your own boss, which means you're also your own project manager. Using project management tools can help you stay organized and keep track of all your tasks. Tools like Asana, Trello, and Monday are great for this. They allow you to create boards for different projects and add tasks with due dates. It's like having a personal assistant who's always on top of things. But let's not forget about maintaining a work-life balance. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and forget to take care of ourselves. Make sure to set aside time for relaxation and self-care. Whether it's going for a run, reading a book, or simply enjoying a cup of tea, make sure to recharge your batteries. After all, you can't pour from an empty cup. So there you have it. Set a work schedule, prioritize tasks, use project management tools, and maintain a work-life balance. Yes, it's a juggling act, but with a bit of practice, you'll become a master juggler. Remember, efficient time and project management are crucial for success in freelancing. So are you ready to get started with freelancing on Upwork? After exploring the world of freelancing today, we've covered the crucial elements that will set you on the path to success. Let's take a moment to recap. We started by understanding the significance of creating an impressive profile. Remember, your profile is your first impression, so make it count. We then delved into the art of crafting a winning proposal. Your proposal is your ticket to landing a project, so ensure it showcases your skills and enthusiasm effectively. We also discussed the importance of communication, which is the backbone of any successful professional relationship. Lastly, we touched upon managing your time and projects efficiently. This is key to maintaining a healthy work-life balance and ensuring you deliver top-notch work to your clients. With these tips and tricks, you're now well equipped to embark on your freelancing journey on Upwork. Good luck!